So, a very good afternoon, everyone. I believe you can hear me well.
I believe you can hear me, right?
Yes, we can hear you.
So, I welcome you all from Orion EduTech, India. My name is Rajeshwari and I am Senior Manager here. Welcome to Tsumeb Center. Today, we have gathered for the solar PV installation.
Can you repeat that? Repeat that.
Today, we have gathered for the solar PV installation course. So, first let me brief you about Orion. Orion is basically a vocational training and placement company. We have pan-India presence and we have been operating internationally in various countries like Nigeria, Namibia, Indonesia, South Africa, soon starting in Canada as well. We deal in various kind of skill sets and we skill the students in a particular subject so that they can be well equipped with the subject and can be employed in the long run. Today you will be understanding about the course, the curriculum as well as the evaluation of the full course. First I would like to tell you that the course will be conducted via two modes. First is people link, second is via Facebook Workplace. People link will be the medium of teaching by the students, like I am teaching you now via people link. We will be sharing with you videos, PPTs in every class as well as assignments will be given to you every day. Secondly, there will be Facebook Workplace in which you will be having your login IDs. You will be providing me a Gmail ID or a Yahoo email ID and it will be registered in the Facebook Workplace where a group will be created and each one of you will be there in that group. Every day's class, within 24 hours, the link will be shared. The PPTs will be uploaded and you can directly have interaction with the trainer. Any query you have, you can post it on Workplace. It will be answered within 24 hours. Now, before starting further, I would like to know about you. Please give me your introduction. So, let's start with the left-hand side. Tell me your name, where you are coming from and why you have chosen this course.
Okay, my name is Evan. It's wonderful. I come from poor community region. I want to start my own solar business. That's why I'm doing this course.
That's great. The next one.
I'm Kamina Toja. So I'm from Kagamo region. I came here to study solar technology. I want to get knowledge.
Okay.
My name is
Now,
Gura.
welcome.
My name is Haim Gura Dominicus. I'm from Kawango region. I came here to study PV solar installation. I would like to go further. Study.
Okay. So nice to hear from you. Now we will move forward. So the course and the training, so the medium via which we will be providing is clear to you, I believe. Now,
When you don't understand, just hold on a bit. Whenever you don't understand her, you can stop her. She can see you. You can do something. She cannot hear you. So as many times as possible for you to understand. We can continue.
Okay. Now, when you will be conducting the classes, every day you have to give your attendance to the center coordinator because you'll be doing a comprehensive evaluation. Comprehensive evaluation means there will be attendance, there will be assignments, your punctuality, your interaction in the class, the pre-final as well as the final marks will be counted for a comprehensive evaluation. So, before awarding the certificates to you, we will be doing this comprehensive evaluation. Weightage is given to each and every point, and likewise the certificates will be released. So it is very important that you are punctual to class, you are attending the class on a regular basis, you are submitting your assignments as well as scoring good in the pre-final and final exam. The attendance sheet will be provided to me by the center coordinator on a regular basis as well as about your performance, like how you are performing inside the class. It is very important that you have a regular interaction with the trainer. Now, I would like to tell you about the scholarship forms. I'm sharing a document with you. Just let me know when the document is visible to you.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So this is the scholarship form for meritorious international students. Orion has introduced the scholarship scheme for top 3 students. Now, you might be wondering who will be the top 3 students. The course Solar is going on throughout, like worldwide in many Orion centers. So on a worldwide basis, wherever we have centers, the course is going on, and on the top 3 students worldwide will be able to get this scholarship. Now, the benefits of this scholarship is first, you have the opportunity to visit India for a free course. Here, you will be doing an advanced course in the same domain in which you are studying at present, like Solar. The accommodation will be borne from our end as well as your local transportation within India. Now, this course is valid when you are scoring as top 3 worldwide. So there is a stiff competition. For this, you need to work very, very hard. Because, as you can see, the weightage is done in all these things. The attendance, it is 30%, class response 25%, project work or assignments completed 15%, pre-final result 15%, and final exam result 15%. And this scheme is valid from February to May intake only. So you are among the lucky ones to have been a part of this scholarship scheme. So I would like to encourage you all to do the course diligently so that you get a chance to visit India. How many of you are excited to come to India? Everyone, right? So you have to work very hard for this and give your best shot. so that you can make it here. Now the scholarship details will also be given to you. On the workplace, you will be able to find each and everything. Be it any kind of a query, be it the assignments, the curriculum, the participant books, the PPTs, everything will be posted on a regular basis. Also, the links for the videos that are being shot on a regular basis will also be posted within 24 hours. Any questions from your end?
No questions?
No questions. Now I would like to introduce you to your trainer. He is here. He is going to tell you about the curriculum details, what solar PV installer has in it, and what all you are going to learn. So please welcome Mr. Shubroto. I would like to hand over to Shubroto now. He is going to teach you the curriculum today.
Hello. Good afternoon. So, start the curriculum about the solar. You can see the curriculum here.
Yes.
First of that, we have to know about carrying out the site survey for installation of solar system. Second one is assessing the customer solar PV requirement. Third one is procuring the solar PV components. And the next, identifying and use the tool and take uses of solar PV system installation. Then installing the civil or mechanical and electrical components of a solar PV system. Then learning and test and commission solar PV system. Next, maintaining solar PV system. Then comes to maintaining personal health and safety at project site. Then it's come learning soft skill and learning communication skill. So if you come to the solar PV site survey, here you can see the key learning outcomes, which is understand the location of installation and optimize the route plan. Access the site level pre-request for solar panel installation. Check for any shading objects. Decide on the type of mounting to be constructed. Inform the customer for any civil construction to be undertaken for installing the panels. Prepare a site map of the location. Access the load to be run on solar plant. Prepare a load profile. document and site survey variable and complete the checklist or site survey form. This is the key learning outcomes. We will learn about this key from site survey. Access customer PV system requirement. The key we have to learn that understand the work requirement and areas of operation, interact with the superior for specific instruction, plan the day activities based, coordinate with store and sales team, coordinate with marketing executive to understand about the customer details and their expectations at a code level. Visit the customer and understand their requirement. Ask both open-end and closed-end questions to customers to clearly understand their power requirement. Access the area of installation, power output expectation, budget during discussion with customer. Underrest and any specify requirement of customer on choice of module, inverter, place of mounting. Access the location and its potential for solar system energy. Example, location with less cloud, number of days with sunlight. Then analyzes the layout of the area and check space for installation. Understand the type of installation, that is room mounting or in plane or its requirement. Analyze the civil structure of building and its strength for rooftop mounting. Evaluate the place of solar module mounting and ensure it is free of stack from tree or from existing or potential solar building. Analyzes the photovoltaic system requirement of the customer. Decide whether the power system will be connected to transmission grid. Analysis for producing alternate current or direct current and match customer requirement. Decide on battery backup for equipment as per customer expectation. Understand the function and control of different components of solar PV system, such as module, inverter, grounding equipment, meter, disconnect. Ensure the equipment and system specification match the customer expectation. Prepare a costing sheet for installation based on the customer feedback on system requirement. Understand from customer for any budget constraint. Suggest for any alternative and changes in design to suit customer budget. Make understand the customer about market price of components of different model of power system. Prepare a cost benefit analysis and inform customer on saving while installing solar power system. Compare cost with other type of power generation and information. benefit. Suggest for procurement of quality and best product available in the market. Evaluate the safety concern for installation and address them. Arrange trained and qualified technician for installation. Ensure the system and structure meet the local government and regulatory requirement. The third one is procure solar PV system components. The key we have to learn from procure solar PV system components. Prepare bill of material from single line diagram, civil or mechanical drawing, and electrical drawing. Approach store of the company or the market to place the requirement for component as per bill of material. Ensure that the quality of module, panel, inverter and batteries match the voltage requirement of the system. Identify and list variation in equipment specification.
Sorry?
Yes.
Read that, say that again.
What?
Read it again.
Oh, can you repeat? Repeat
That part.
number 4.
Shall we continue?
Number 3. Ensure the quantity.
This is the key we will learn through the solar program. Okay? Today I'm discussing that the key we have to learn. So where I was that identify and list variation in equipment specification, if any. Equipment variation and submit to design team and obtain approval or reverse diagram. Arrange for tools and consumable required for mounting the solar panel. Ensure that only company recommended quality material are used as specified by. Ensure that the all materials are QC passed. That means quality control passed. Complete all documentation. Plan and receive the equipment at site. Ensure that all the components handled and stored properly as per standard operating procedure. Check material received as per final bill that so let's start. Okay. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So come to the install civil and mechanical part of solar PV system. From this we have to learn the key skill that identify type of footing required structural footings, arrange for tools and consumable required for civil or mechanical installation, get the correct from constructed to design specification, install mounting ports, roof attached and anchors, locate structural roof number and install structural attachments, install module support or tracking frame, plumb and level array structure, install supplementary structural supports, apply corrosion protection to cut surface, apply weatherproofing to avoid any space and ventilation, install tracking system, unpack PV module, inspect module for physical damage, test PV module electrical output, install the module as per layout diagram. Secure module wiring. Fasten module to structure. Torque module fasteners. Install battery bank, stand and battery till continent as per drawing or manual. Install inverter stand as per drawing or manual. Then come to install electrical components of solar PV system. From this, we have to learn the skills, implement the site survey plan, and maintain clear work area. Clarify the maximum working voltage. Select required personal protective equipment. Measure current and voltage on equipment before proceeding with inspect the demonstrable use of electrical installation toolkit, inspect and maintain safety equipment, inspect and maintain testing equipment, demonstrate situational awareness, select the location of DC combiner box, install the DC combiner box along with disconnect protection, install DC energy meters, confirm battery bank, confirm battery bank location and install battery, prepare battery terminal and install battery interconnection cable, terminal, find standard cable, test final assemble battery polarity and voltage, install charge controller if it is required. Then come to the install the inverter, install utility, require disconnect, install AC combiner box, connect the solar system to the distribution box or the transformer. Mainly transformer is not required for home. Proper leveling of components. Prepare conduit and cable routing plan. Select the correct cable type, color and gauge. Support the per conduit. So many things are there in electrical parts. So we will learn. If you come to the test and commission of solar PV system, the key is perform visual inspection, inspect mechanical, civil and electrical installation components, verify system grounding and measure installation resistance, check conduit of the system and verify polarity, measure DC voltage and current for each connecting and array for total operation of the system, verify inverter operation including anti-islanding performance and measure AC system value, verify cabinet of data acquisition system, verify workmanship and demonstration, if you come to maintain solar PV photovoltaic system, the keys are some keys are here. Understand the importance of the cleaning of the solar panel as dirt in panel would affect power generation. Clean solar panel from dust, part droppings, leaves, branches, snow. Use water to clean the panel. Wipe hard stain by wiping the stone or cotton. Undertake cleaning activity during when the sunlight is low. Use cleaning agents such as detergent to clean stain or dust in the aluminum frame. Clean without damping the module by stepping on it or dropping objects. Clean modules periodically as per specification or document the data of cleaning. Regularly inspect the solar panel system, understand the checkpoints and check the effective functions. Ensure the modules are clean and power output is not affected. Ensure that modules are free from any tree setting, construction or other. Check all cables for losing connection and any mechanical damage. Check the output voltage of the system and compare with the expected output voltage generation. Check for any damage for any system by external element. Check the condition of mounting and its ability to hold the solar panel. Regularly inspect the solar panel system. Understand the checkpoint and check for effective functions. Ensure that modules are clean and power output is not affected. Ensure that modules are free of any tree setting, construction or other. So many fields are there. So come to maintain personal health and safety at project site. The key we have to learn that identify corporate policy required for workplace safety, identify requirement for safe work area and create a safe work environment, identify connect person to the connect person when workplace safety policy are violated, provide information about incident or violation, identify the location of first aid, identify the personal protection equipment required for specific location on site, identify expiry date and wear and tear issues of specific equipment, identify electrical hazards, identify personal safety hazards or worksite hazards, and select tool equipment and testing device needed to carry out the work. These skills you have to follow when you will doing working on solar PV. This is the customer orientation for solar PV system. Record component serial number and file data sheet and complete equipment warranty registration. Record document inspection and PVC metal, ball pin hammer, fuse number, etc. Yes, yes. So these are the curriculums we will learn through the whole solar PV class. Okay, lots of things are there in solar panel. Did you have any queries? Did you have any queries about this subject? Do you want to know about solar? Yes? Yes.
No questions.
No queries?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then first introduce yourself. I start myself. I am Subrata Lauri as your solar trainer. And from the left side, you can start. Just tell your name.
My name is Stephen.
Okay. And the second one.
So I'm coming at Tobias.
Sorry.
I'm coming at Tobias.
And the third one.
Hi Buddha, Dominicus.
Okay, so you want to know about solar? Did you have any queries about solar?
No, no. No. Oh.
Okay, then from the next class, we will continue the curriculum. Okay, curriculum subjects that. Okay,
Yes.
today I am ending the session of curriculum here, and from the next class, we will start our solar PV classes. Main classes we will start. Okay. Okay. Till now, I'm ending the session here. Okay. Till now, bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.